So, hello everyone, once again, welcome to Learn English with Roshan, a daily vocabulary series for improving English and spoken English. So, in this video, today is Wednesday, 8th of December 2021. Spoken English series. Spoken English will improve only by improving your daily vocabularies, a word which you should use and learn for daily improving your English. So, today's idea for spoken English that we will search a word regarding W. Like I have told you earlier as well in my videos that I will be clearing all the things which is related to Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday is a W starting letter word. Okay, day. So the word will be from W. W is a letter. Okay, so we will see the word regarding starting with W. Today's I searched W vocabularies. These was the results. Walk through relatively shallow water, wade, baffle. Means you will get hundreds of words. But what's the best way to remember any vocabulary, any word which you should learn in spoken English daily using sentences? It is that you have to follow a word by every and each aspect of that word. Like here are the list of W letter words like baffle, waft, waggish, wave, whale. So these all are words starting with W. I want to remember a one word or five words. How I will remember? Let's get to this point. This video will be special. Like today I pick up the first word which is wade. Wade means that I searched on Google walk with effort through water on another liquid or viscous substances. Okay, you just saw the meaning in the English only. See that word meaning in English. Like wade is the in a simple English we will say walk through or effort on the shallow water on liquid or viscous substance. Like you go like this by so much of care. Okay, viscous or liquid substances, how you walk. So you are not getting. If you are not getting, let's see some synonym like pedal, velo, devil, slop. Let's use this word in a sentence. Police waded into the crowd. So police waded into the crowd. Let's check what is the thing. If this picture is coming like walking in shallow water, so how the two men are walking in this image? Now it will be the clear image of word vocabulary. Now you will get the word means you have to picturize that word. So here I picturize the word like someone walking. If then we will say he's wading through the evidence. He's police waded through the crowd से भाग के गई. So these are the vocabulary learning techniques which I follow and you must follow. Let's now get up to one word substitution and idiom. One word substitution is why important. It is important to remember that a very long phrase in one word. For example, an extreme irrational fear of heights. Fear of heights we will call it acrophobia. In this one word substitution many phobias come. Okay, many of the phobia comes and we study that like an irrational fear of fresh air, drafts of air is aerophobia, like in air, aeroplane. Fear of being egoistical or alone or isolated is autophobia, means you are fearing from yourself. Phobia of pain is algophobia, means in one word it is so small and it is the phrase and we are saying it in one word. So that's why an emotional disorder characterized by an to desire to lose the weight by refusing to eat, like anorexia. Like means you are feeling that you are having too much weight so you will not eat. That's anorexia. One, what is idiom? First of all, in all videos I have telling you idioms. Now I question you that what is an idiom? An idiom, because it is a starting with wall. So we will say idiom, a group of words. Okay, what it is a group of words. Okay, a group of words established by usage as having a meaning. Okay, not deducible from those of the individual words, like over the moon, see the light. These are common idioms used in English which you have to also use, like muhavres in Hindi. So in English it is idioms. Like cat got your tongue, means Why aren't you speaking? Sung by a bug in a rug means warm and cozy. Go to the extra mile, make an extra effort. Butterflies in my stomach means feeling nervous, not it's actually butterfly in her stomach. It is like feeling nervous. To go down in flames means to fall spectacularly. Okay, once in a blue moon, rarely. Once in a blue moon means कि कभी एक बार ब्लू मून हो जाता है तो हो जाता है, बहुत रेयर रेयर चीज है ये. So this was today's idiom, one word substitution and things. Like, share, subscribe. I hope that you like that how you can remember vocabulary.